Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can sideload apps or how you can download apps APK files on your browser on your smart TV. So this is an Android smart TV, and if you go to its app store you get limited apps. So mostly you get some streaming apps and some apps are not available, but the good thing with an Android TV, you can sideload apps. For example, I'm going to show you how to download apps on the browser, and this is my browser, and I'm going to try to download the movie box. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to search for the file and I add the APK, and also I search for movie box APK for Android TV or for smart TV, and I'm going to go on the first link. So it's going to bring different links, but all you're going to do after searching, you're going to go on the first link, and if you go on the first link, it's going to show you the APK file that you need to download. For example, it shows you a movie box for Android TV official download. It has different versions, and on getting to the download page, all you're going to do, you're going to scroll down and place on the download button. As you see, many people use this method to download different APK files or apps to your smart TV. In case you don't have a Play Store or you don't have a Google Play Store, this works. Then you're going to place on download, and again place on download now, and this is going to help you to start downloading the APK file that you specifically want to download. And here I'm using movie box as an example, and as you see, it has brought the download prompt, and I place on download, and here it has started downloading. And after downloading, it's going to bring a prompt of installing the file direct to the TV, and as you see, it's downloading and it's done downloading. Here it shows me should I install the app or maybe I don't install the app, and you're going to go to the install option, which is down in the corner. As you see down there, I'm going to go and I place on install, and when I place on install, this APK is going to install directly to my TV. Remember, this operates as an Android phone, so mostly the installation part is the same as if you have an Android phone. So if you have an Android phone, this becomes easy to operate. You just go in your browser, you search for the app that you want to download with the APK prompt. Then after it downloads, you just place on install, and it's going to install straight to your TV. And after installing, as you see, it's done installing. You can place on open or you place on done. So I'm going to place on, and after placing on done, I'm going to go back to my home screen and I organize the app where I want it to be. And here you can place open, and if you go to downloads or if you go to your file manager, you can find this APK file. You can reinstall it, delete it, or re-download it. So if I come back to home, I place on add. I'm going to add it to my home screen, and here I can open the movie box app. It's there, and I'm going to add it on my home screen. After adding it on my home screen, it becomes easy. Just place on OK or to open it, and it's going to function properly. So this is how you can sideload or download APK files to your smart TV or the Android smart TV. And the Android operating system gives you more flexible ways to install apps. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.